Hey guys, welcome back to Unofficial Chat. Today I'm going to be giving you my view on coding. Why coding? Why you'll understand. Coding is an important skill to have to avoid expenses, and you can also use it to upgrade your own equipment, your own systems. You can also develop apps. So this is a way of you growing as a person. You can have things which cost a lot at a lesser price. So why not coding? The main reason you need to have this skill is to understand how things work. Like the future is just right here, the Terminator future. So you got everything that you need right there. So you need to have your codes to be able to do things for yourself. You can run your business, you can update your website, you can interact with things at home without the need of a professional coder, just you with the skill. So that's the main thing that I think every person needs to have, this skill of coding. I don't know how much you know about coding, but it would help me if you could leave a comment and tell me what you think about coding. Are you able to go to school and do coding? Is it something that you've been interested in? Is my information about coding correct? So you can tell me more just down there in the comment section, or you can just give me a topic to talk about on my next video. So we'll see what happens. The one that gets the most likes is the one that I'm gonna be tackling on my next video. Before I go out, don't forget to do the most important thing: like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. The more you share, the more I'm going to give you a lot of things to watch. I'm out.